Welcome back, guys. CryptoFly channel. Today I would like to talk about VRA targets up. That's just a local one with my customer set. What's going on now? Let's dive in. First of all, guys, I a million times explained to you, no makes sense to fall in love in any token, And second moment, the Binance, any announcement this cycle, it's not bullish. It's not bullish, guys. I posted the video, so the Binance will add VRA to Alpha trading on their platform. Some people will write it as scam. It's not a scam, it's a fact. Here was an announcement. Binance Alpha launched VRA trading competition with 960 million VRA tokens. This one. What I don't understand, when you click on this page, it's not found, right? Maybe because of this, people think it's a scam or it's a fake. No, but Binance, here you go into the Alpha. Its Alpha tokens are all on-chain Web3 tokens, and these tokens are subject to greater fluctuation in the risk. Please exercise the cautions. You can type the VRA and you can find it. So yes, you can trade it. Technically now the VRA, now it's so we can call it the underrated token if it's a correct data. Now it's 12 million market capitalization. The price is 0.2013. I a million times explained to you, no makes sense to fall in love in VRA, talk about the fundamental and all of this stuff, guys. Take a look, just a pure not a speculation even, and not a manipulation, just a basic price action, because the big guys who control the assets, they just trade. So here, this is an announcement about the Binance Alpha and 27 Joule. From that price, the VRA, come on, drop it down like 34%. Yes, you can say, oh, it's not a big deal. Yes, guys, it's a big deal. You invest 10K and now you see it like 3K 400 down. Just and wasted around 2 months. You in losses, temporary losses in this wasted time. So yes, guys, all of this stuff, it's a big deal when you everything depends on your investment. You know, if you invest 1K, for example, yeah, it's not a big deal. Like, no, it's just temporary losses. I can see it. Wait longer. No. It's imagine how somebody invested at 10K. 100K, for example. I hope, guys, soon we will see recover back on all markets. VRA will follow the market. It's not a super token. It's not a special token. It's just absolutely a simple token which follow just a BTC dominance direction. So the BTC dominance going down, all alts performed. Everybody, VRA army started screaming, yes, we're going to the moon because of fundamental. No, it's not because of fundamental. It's just because of simple seasonality in the money inflow, outflow, liquidity. So locally, I hope, guys, we hold the line. This one, it's in April 25, it was a local bottom. I hope will not drop lower, because if we will, we can go even straightforward to sweep that lows and to the order blocks. To the order blocks on monthly. Honestly, no makes sense to drop the VRA that low, because we already closed the last monthly gap, one and only. So this chart since May 2019, imagine. So under is nothing, only this monthly order block. I'm not a fan of order block trades, right? But yes, this is an order block where we can test it if, for example, everybody wrong, and October will be red for the altcoins. So yes, in this case, it's possible. Can we drop and sweep the historical all-time low? In theory, yes, guys, everything possible. But I hope it was the bottom in April, and the next bullish step for VRA. I'm not bullish about VRA, because maybe you can think you shield the token. I don't care about VRA. I don't care about any tokens, guys. I just showed the zones potentially where more than okay accumulated token, but we can't know. This token is just a pump and dump. This is somebody's big guy stay behind this project. We can't know the plan of the market maker for this token. For the metal, it's one thing, but take a look on IOTA. IOTA is just an amazing fundamentally talking, a lot of partnership, a lot of use case partnership with European Union, you know, digital euro, but it's not affect the price of the token at all. That's why absolutely can be the same story with the VRA. So locally, guys, let's talk about these local blocks. So it's 0.208, 0.3095. At least we will bounce to 0.2045. From now, it can be 241%. So yes, I'm more than sure. Of course, I can be wrong, but locally, it's hard to say about timing. You know, it can be October, it can be the end of September, it can be now after the Fed decision ready, right? We can't know the timing, but it can be 215%. It's a sweep of the low high of May. After that test of 0.5, maybe one more correction. Globally, of course, the target is way higher. Is it necessary? So the Binance, after they added this token to Binance Alpha, will list it on the spot? I'm not sure. Would be logical, right? But not all tokens will be listed after they tradable on Binance Alpha. So Binance Alpha is like on-chain trades, like on a BitGet, the same story. So locally, guys, capitulation, it's order block on a monthly. Honestly, I don't think so. We're gonna drop that low. Positive case, it's a 400, 0.2045. So this is a good scenario for the VRA. Let's double check with indicator set. ADZ, there is no data. Direction, yes, there is accumulation, but we can't know the size, you know, of that accumulation. But it's bullish. Monthly time frame. No accumulation yet. No accumulation, but we're in capitulation zone on the gray color. This capitulation, it means everybody just even the cut their losses, even out in realized losses. So it's a great time for accumulation. Some tokens daily, no accumulation. That's why, guys, if you feel comfortable at 0.2013, you can buy even now. Next step is here. You can be ready for in theory to drop 42%. If you're ready to see that drop, it's okay. You can accumulate now. I skipped the token because I don't like the cult. Yes, I call it the cult tokens. It's like XRP, ICP, HBAR, Polkadot. You know, it's like a cult tokens. The community just pray for that token and find always only the bullish news. You know, and this like a, you know, like the market makers treat the people with that media posts, media influencers about this token fundamental and distribute. While they shield this token, the big guys distribute their tokens. That's why I don't like this stuff. So money power here, fun. Here was a MACD bullish divergence pump, and who dump it? Who own that amount of tokens can dump the token not 73% in one single day, but 279, because if you hop in here, you need to recover back to almost 300%. That's kind of weird. Who dump it? This token in one single day candle? Who own that amount of supply, which can affect the price so much? It's kind of weird. So 12 time frame, let's check that. Whoa, wow. Some money inflow in here, money in, pump, buybacks, and money out. Yes, money out. If we check the local one, so this liquidity pool, sweep it. This one maybe. Hard to say, guys. So important to hold the line over than to not add 1-0 more. So that's a key point. So money power, I showed you, take profit, trade on. So buy line on 12 time frame. It's a sweep of the. We're gonna add 1-0 and sweep that low like 0.23095. Daily also. Usually, what I found on a chart, so when we test one, second one, third one, so rarely we dump it again. So just in case, it's more positive for RA. I don't see any money inflow now yet. Weekly, and what is good? Weekly, we so underrated. I mean the RA. That's why the take profit line now around the 0.5 level FIP of this local one is 0.2049. That's why, like conclusion, guys, I'm more bullish for RA. It's not necessary once again, so the Binance will list it, but anyway, the Binance Alpha give some volume, so give some attention for that token. That's why first step for the bounce 0.2018. After that 0.23 above FIB 0.2026 and 0.5. So this is a next movement for the RA. I wait this target at least, I don't know, I guess in next week or the months. Guys, I hope you like this video. Write us in the comment what is your local targets. So let's focus only on this range, local targets for RA. If you like to trade, as my customer said, what I showed you in this video, just write me DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.